Think and Grow Rich. Chapter 12. The Brain, a Broadcasting and Receiving Station for Thought. Welcome back to the audiobook of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Your guide to unlocking the secrets of success. Today, we're diving into Chapter 12. The Brain, a Broadcasting and Receiving Station for Thought. This chapter takes us deep into the power of your mind, revealing how it connects you to ideas, inspiration, and even other people. If you're ready to tap into this incredible force, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and let's get started. So, what does Hill mean when he calls the brain a broadcasting and receiving station? He's saying your brain is like a radio, constantly sending and picking up thoughts, emotions, and ideas. It's not just a thinking machine, it's a tool for connecting with the world around you. Hill believes that your thoughts can influence others, and you can tap into a universal source of inspiration. In this chapter, he explores how to harness your brain's power to fuel your goals and achieve extraordinary results. Let's start with Hill's core idea. Your brain is always active, transmitting and receiving vibrations of thought. When you focus intensely on your definite goal, the burning desire from Chapter 1, you send out powerful signals. These signals can attract ideas, opportunities, and even people who align with your vision. At the same time, your brain picks up insights from others, often in moments of intuition or sudden clarity. Hill says this process, though mysterious, is a key driver of success. It's like tuning your radio to the right frequency to get a clear signal. To illustrate, Hill references inventors like Thomas Edison. Edison's brain was a hub of creative energy. When working on the light bulb, he'd focus so intensely that he seemed to receive solutions from nowhere. Hill suggests Edison tapped into a universal intelligence, a pool of ideas beyond his own mind. After thousands of failures, a sudden insight about the right filament came to him, leading to a world-changing invention. Edison's story shows that your brain, when focused, can connect you to breakthroughs. Now, let's bring this to today. Think about Elon Musk, the mind behind Tesla and SpaceX. Musk is known for his obsessive focus on big problems, like sustainable energy or space travel. He describes moments of clarity, like the idea for reusable rockets, coming to him after deep thought. Hill would say Musk's brain is broadcasting his vision and receiving solutions, whether from his subconscious, his team, or some universal source. This process helped Musk build a $1 trillion empire. His story proves that your brain's power can turn bold ideas into reality. So, how do you harness your brain as a broadcasting and receiving station? Hill ties this to principles from earlier chapters, especially autosuggestion and the subconscious mind. First, clarify your definite goal. Let's say you want to be a top filmmaker by 2036, earning $300,000 a year. Write it down. By 2036, I will be a filmmaker creating award-winning movies, earning $300,000 annually. This focus tunes your brain to the right frequency. Second, use autosuggestion. Affirm, I am a visionary filmmaker and ideas flow to me effortlessly. Say it daily with emotion to program your subconscious. Third, visualize your goal vividly. Close your eyes. See yourself on a film set, directing actors, winning an Oscar. Feel the excitement, the pride. Hill says this intense focus sends out thought vibrations, attracting resources and ideas. Fourth, stay open to receiving. Pay attention to sudden insights, chance meetings, or gut feelings. If you're a filmmaker, a random conversation might spark a script idea. Act on these signals. Write the script, pitch it, film a short. Hill says your brain is a receiver, but you must act to make ideas real. Let's look at another example. Consider Ava DuVernay, the director behind Selma and When They See Us. DuVernay started as a publicist, not a filmmaker, but she had a vision: tell powerful, inclusive stories. She fed her brain with this goal, studying films, visualizing her projects, and affirming her talent. Ideas seemed to flow to her, like the concept for Selma, inspired by history and intuition. Her mastermind group of writers and producers amplified her vision. Today, with a $50 million net worth and multiple awards, Duvernay's story shows how a focused brain attracts success. Hill also introduces the concept of the creative faculty. This is your brain's ability to generate original ideas, often through what he calls hunches or intuition. To activate it, stimulate your mind, read widely, explore new fields, or discuss ideas with your mastermind group from Chapter 9. Hill says the more you engage your brain, the more it picks up. For example, if you're building that film career, watch classic movies, attend festivals, or brainstorm with directors. These inputs spark your creative faculty, bringing fresh ideas. Another key idea is emotional intensity. Hill says your brain's broadcasting power is strongest when fueled by emotions like passion, faith, or enthusiasm, ties to sex transmutation from Chapter 10. When you're excited about your goal, your thoughts carry more energy, attracting better results. Look at Pharrell Williams. His passion for music and culture drives his creativity. When producing Happy, he poured emotional energy into the process, visualizing a global hit. His brain seemed to receive the perfect melody, leading to a chart-topping song. Pharrell's $250 million career shows how emotion amplifies your brain's power. Now, you might wonder, how do I know I'm receiving the right signals? Hill says to trust your intuition, but verify with action. If you get an idea for a film, test it. Write a scene, shoot a trailer. Your subconscious from Chapter 11 will guide you, but you must act to confirm. Hill also warns against negative thoughts. If you broadcast fear or doubt, you'll attract obstacles. Use autosuggestion to affirm, "My mind is open to positive ideas, and I attract success." This keeps your brain tuned to opportunity. Let's make this practical. Think of your biggest goal. Maybe it's starting a business, becoming a chef, or writing a book. Write your definite purpose. By 2037, I will own a restaurant earning $400,000 through innovative cuisine. Affirm daily, I am a talented chef, and brilliant ideas come to me. Visualize your restaurant, its decor, menu, happy customers. Stay open to hunches. Maybe a new dish idea pops up. Act on it. Test the recipe. Get feedback. Join a mastermind group of chefs or marketers to amplify your ideas. Your brain will connect you to success. Another example? Look at Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. Blakely had no fashion background, but her brain was tuned to opportunity. She visualized a new kind of shapewear, affirming her ability to create it. Ideas came, like using breathable fabrics or pitching to department stores. She acted fast, prototyping and selling. Her focused mind, fueled by enthusiasm, built a $1 billion brand. Blakely's story shows how your brain can broadcast a vision and receive the tools to make it real. One final lesson: your brain thrives in a mastermind group. Hill says, group energy amplifies your broadcasting and receiving power. When you share ideas with others, you tap into their thoughts, creating a synergy from Chapter 9. Look at J.K. Rowling. Her Harry Potter vision came from her brain, but her writing group's feedback sharpened it. She visualized her story, acted on hunches, and persisted, creating a $25 billion franchise. Your mastermind can boost your brain's signal, so lean on them. That's Chapter 12 of Think and Grow Rich. You've learned that your brain is a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Thomas Edison, Elon Musk, Ava DuVernay, they tuned their minds to success. Now it's your turn. Focus your thoughts, visualize your goal, and act on your hunches. Your brain is ready to connect you to greatness. What's one idea your brain is broadcasting right now? Drop it in the comments. I can't wait to hear. If this audiobook sparked your mind, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell to catch Chapter 13, where we'll explore the sixth sense. You'll find the next chapter in the playlist linked below. Until then, keep tuning your mind, keep connecting, and let's grow rich together.